Hello everybody. So I had a computer that crashed on me and they gave me the hard drive. And I was just going to say, do you want to know what's inside of a hard drive? So first you got to take out these screws around the edge. I took those out already. Then you take this off. And now you're going to have the hard drive here like this. And you're going to have one screw in the middle here. I took that out. And now I thought this was a disc like a regular disc. But it appears to be metal. It's metal. But that's where all your information is. Now this don't really have anything on it, but it does have a little computer board here. It's got a computer board. And if you need to save some of these components, or you want to save this board and use it for something else, or use some of the components, you can. But this is it, and this is a little arm that goes back and forth that puts information uh, on the disk. I guess you can read and write over this a lot of times because you can reformat it or whatever. But anyway, that's what's inside of a hard drive out of your computer. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com, bringing you another great video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll have another one for you soon. You guys have a great day. This is Harold, and I'm signing off. I'm out of here, baby. Hey, and don't forget to check out my website at WorldTVOnDemand.com, where you'll find the best Kodi media player on the planet, because I build them personally and set them up at your request. See you later.